How's it going, everybody? This is Sean, and today I'm going to introduce what is eBay Scrapy, and today is the part one to introduce what it is. So for this one, there you don't need any developing or programming skills or knowledge, or some of a little bit, but yeah, we can follow this video together and you can use it. I hope you can use it when you really sell some products in eBay as well. So main purpose of eBay Scrapy is to help eBay sellers to understand the marketplace on online marketplace with keyword analysis. So what is keyword analysis? Keyword analysis is the way of making some item titles when you upload products in eBay. For example, let's say eBay. See what I mean? Let's say noodle. So I am actually the seller in Korea as well. So this is the way how I make my items lists and specify which product would I sell. Like I want to sell noodle, but which one should I sell? And here, well, three of them are all Korean ramen. Like these are all noodle, but especially Korean very spicy ramen here. Like these are quite special. Mm, yeah, being on the top means that there should be some reasons the why they are popular. Well, there could be like the cheap prices and like the number of solds or the watchers. Well, I'm going to upload it, upgrade my own program as well. But first, one thing that I want to introduce this time is the keyword here, ramen. Korean spicy noodle, like here, ramen noodle, hot spicy Korean food, like Korea food. So you can see that there should be some of like specific keywords that you need to mention, and the specific products that you can sell easily. You know what I mean? Like, because you don't need to make any advertisements if you make the high quality of the information of your products, such as the keywords as well, including as well. So I just usually call it as organic advertisements that we don't need to pay advertisements, but just for free. And let's enhance our items. So how to use this program with this one? Mm, when you download the program, this Python file from my GitHub, then oh yeah, I already run it before. But let me show you for on the first. When you open it, it would look like this. If you're not familiar with the Python codes, yeah, it is just natural to look like this. And so we need two preparations. First, we need the app ID of eBay's developers app ID, and the eBay API for eBay SDK. You need to download that one as well. But yeah, let me introduce the first eBay app ID first. So when you go to the eBay developers, it is developer.ebay.com. From here, you can see every documents of eBay APIs at here. But first, if you want to use it, you need the app IDs or tokens in specific APIs. When you go to sign in and application access keys, there are they will show your app ID once you get registered. So they will ask you to sign in or register. If you didn't sign up yet, then you need to register. And it's just free that you can explore the eBay marketplace as a developer. So yeah, like there is no pressure at all, and it's quite simple. So you can just easily register and sign in. Once you get here, there will be the app ID here and the tokens. But I'm not going to try this one this time because I'm going to show you my own app ID. So yeah, you can try your own app ID this time. And here, if you want to look for the eBay APIs, here are a bunch of the APIs. But this time, I'm going to use here first finding API here. Finding API will give you the informations of the products, like the title, prices, or anything of the top 100 products. And we're going to use the trading API as well. For here, we can gather the information of related items. Like you might have seen some of the recommendations or like that. Yeah, they have these. And here we will see the watch count, which is the view count. But yeah, you'll see this the specific and detail in the upcoming video. So yeah, I'm not gonna touch that detail this time. So this is how it look like. So you get the app ID from developers.api.com, and then we need to download the eBay SDK. It is like one of the eBay API where we can have the finding API that we did the first time. So when you open up the command line, you can use pip install eBay SDK, and I have already downloaded. So when you press enter, then yeah, it is done to get ready for it. So you already prepared your own app ID and eBay SDK. Oh yeah, hold on. If you need some more information, I'm going to post all these three links down on my comments so you can see these as well. So here's the official eBay GitHub, especially for the eBay SDK for Feed SDK. Feed SDK is like the information of item which is in finding API. So you can refer these and the README file together if you need. And yeah, and we're all set. So let's see. When we press run this one, we're going to see the file running. And actually, yeah, this takes a little bit of time with my laptop, so I don't know if it's because yeah, the comfort issues, but still need to make it simple as well. So let's see. When you get to this file, you will see enter your keyword. So let's do the same thing like noodle, and it will gather Scrapy all the data from those two APIs, the finding and trading APIs. And let's see, we typed noodle. Recommendation is noodle, ramen, spicy. Samyang. Samyang is one of Korean ramen company. Maybe you can look for it if you really want to sell noodle kind, especially the Korean ramen. Fire hot chicken, Korean flavor challenge. So yeah, most of them we can see the trend over here. Like in noodle space, we can see ramen, spicy things, and I highly recommend you to put these titles in your own product title as well because they should make the popular, high quality information of your product. And these are the number of um, the words that it has been used for the top 100 items because in eBay they only offer us like 100 products, but the number of products are like this one within noodle, and the shipping cost is mostly they are free. Well, it makes sense, or 3 or 10, and I need to make the sort it's yeah, I'll upgrade it next time. And this one is like the raw data that you can refer, like man, how does it look like? Then yeah, you can refer this one. Well, yeah, you can see this sales data. So let me explain this instead. So these are like the very brief information and analysis of this specific keyword. And would you like to explore more information with the previous keyword? Yeah, man. And we get here. Mm, category distribution is like other food and beverages, 90%, noodles, 8%. So it is very important to make their own proper category as well. Like if you set noodle, uh, specifically ramen to like campings, then it will not appear on the top. You know what I mean? And it is very like um, hmm, yeah, it is very sensitive. So we I highly recommend you to follow the most popular category as well. And price distribution, this one is the minimum and this one is highest, except the like non make sense things. Like I just got rid of other statistically other meaningless data out of it, and this is the median in the middle, or like 50 products. Price is $11, like that, 75. So quarter, middle, third quarter, and the maximum. You can just understand the brief one. And starting video I show you, I'm gonna show you soon. Sales day length. So basically in eBay, all the sellers need to set up the start time date and the end date. We cannot just upload it and forget it forever. They need to have the duration of the product selling time, and most of the time that they put up is like in the medium time they usually sell like 150 days, and with the largest one like this, yeah, it is same, the 0% quarter, median, third quarter, and the 100%. So for the top 100 ramens, most of the sellers they upload their products with the duration of 100 to maybe 200 or 300 days, and they just close the product. Okay, and actually when you say yes, it will pop up this graph. It is the same information that I have shown you on the text, like category distribution, like other food is 90%. Price distribution is also, except outliers, I just made $1. We have submit, but this one is like a brief graph, so you can just understand with visual graphics. And yeah, for the time distribution, it means like it has been popular these days, like since 2020. There was a boom in 2018. There might have been like a challenge, maybe we have seen the hero challenge, and here are most of the population here, and the sales length day. Yeah, we have seen it like around 800 days or around less than 200 days. They just sell like a small time limitation of the time. Yeah, so you can briefly understand these whole visualizations and informations. So yeah, this is it. And like I can recommend, this program can recommend you some of the related products. Like let's say yes, I want to see other products as well. And let's see, Nissan Nakiru. It sounds like Japanese. It's in Japanese, Taiwanese as well. And I would, if I do this one, I would rather see the watch count. Watch count is the same as view count, so it is quite small amount. But when you, if you type other bikes or like lamps, which have where have like a larger amount of the products, then you'll see like the highlighted products that you can refer later. Like if you don't like the noodle category, then you can look for others as well. So yeah, this is it. And if you want to restart, say yes. I would happy for you to use it, yes. And yeah, this is it. And if you want to use this again, then just type it as run it, and that's all. So next time, I'm going to show you how all these codes work with this formula. And let me see. Here is the main functions that I used. And yeah, see you in the next video for the developers. Thank you.